Hey family, you are watching Mars Magical Channel. Enjoy the show. Hint, I am hiding a little surprise at the end of the video, so stay tuned. Let's get Alright guys, so the experiment we're going to do today is balloon rocket. And this experiment is where you make a balloon rocket out of very little materials. So here's a little preview. Once you have seen what causes objects to move in a certain direction, you are ready to think about how they get going in that direction in the first place. If you've ever seen a space shuttle take off, you probably noticed a huge cloud of gas and fire coming out the back end as it lifted off. Why do rockets have to burn so much fuel to make this shuttle go? Now that's a good question, but we're going to read the actual question they put on here. Let's compare them a little bit. Question, how do rockets work? So based off this experiment, we're going to learn how rockets work. And alright, here's the materials if you want to do this. The first one you need is latex balloons. You could get them at Walmart I'm not sure which Walmart y'all go to, but you could get it at Walmart. We need long string. So long string, tape, and plastic straws. Alright guys, so the first procedure is blow out the balloon and hold the neck with your fingers so no escapes. So we're gonna do that. I'm having a little trouble here. Alright, after many attempts that failed, we finally got the balloon. We're gonna do step 2 is hold the balloon in front of you and let go of the neck. Observe the motion of the balloon. Alright, get ready for this. As you can see, the balloon went all over the place. It had no guide, so the only thing that was powering it seems to be this. And yeah, so that's what happens if you have no attachments to the balloon rocket. Alright guys, we have successfully completed step 3, and here's what we done. We put the string, we fed the string through the straw, which means you put it through, and then we taped the string to the wall, and it goes all the way over there. And then after that, we blew a big balloon, of course, and we put it on the plastic straw, so it can only go one way. We're ready to test this. This is attempt 1 in case this goes wrong. Alright guys, so here's test number 1. Like I said, in case this goes wrong. 3, 2, 1, release. That's what happened, y'all. It was like a rocket. Like this is the Earth, and then that's the moon. Pretty simple. Alright guys, I have a little explanation I want to add to the video. So, with this example, as you may see, it doesn't look like any air. It didn't look like nothing was putting a force on it, but the force was actually air. And air Okay, this is what happens. Air comes out of the balloon with tremendous speed, pushes on out already outside balloon, making the rocket or the balloon rocket go. And I also want to add some about the rocket that went everywhere without the plastic straw and string. So what I think that happened, my hypothesis is that how it didn't have a little guidance, so the balloon would just go here, and then I feel like the end of the balloon would like turn, and then it will go this way, and then it'll turn this way, and then it'll go. It's all based on how the end is pointing. If it's pointing over here, the balloon will go over there. If the end is pointing there, then the balloon will go there. So I think the end was just like swooping all around, so it made the balloon swoop all around. There was also a rule to this that was made by Isaac Newton.
Bruh.
There was also a law from Isaac Newton. It was called the law of motion, and he also called it action reaction. So that's a pretty important law with motion. Yeah, it was a great experience. I had a fun time with the balloons, but I said at the start of the video, there's a surprise at the end of the video. So let's get that surprise. Alright guys, we managed to get the 2 balloons in session on the train station, or the rocket station. And we're gonna race. Cartier's the blue one, his is a lot bigger, but mine's the orange one. And we're gonna see. You probably can't see the orange one. But 3, 2, 1, race! Oh, Cartier won! You won, Cartier! Good job! Alright guys, that's the end of this episode. I'm gonna wrap it up. We had a lot of good times today. My little brother won, and we had a lot of fun. That rhymes. Yeah, I'm a rhyme magician. But, yeah, like I said, we're gonna wrap it up. Like, subscribe, comment to Mario's Magical Channel. See you in the next video.